હેલો ફ્રેન્ડ, આજના વિડિયો લેક્ચરની અંદર આપણે જાણીશું લીન મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ સિસ્ટમ. વેરી મોસ્ટ યુઝફુલ વર્ડ સેડ બાય સેંગો. ધ મોસ્ટ ડેન્જરિયસ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ વેસ્ટ ઇઝ ધ વેસ્ટ વિચ વી કુડ નોટ રેકગ્નાઇઝ. સૌથી ખતરનાક વેસ્ટ એ છે કે જેને આપણે ઓળખી નથી શકતા, રાઈટ. અને આ વેસ્ટ ઉપર આખી લીન મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ સિસ્ટમ છે એ ડિપેન્ડ છે. જસ્ટ ઇન ટાઈમ JIT. હવે JIT છે ઇટ ઇઝ બેઝડ ઓન પુલ સિસ્ટમ, બરાબર. તો આપણે જાણીએ પુલ સિસ્ટમ કોની કહેવાય. પુલ યાની કે ડિમાન્ડ ડ્રીવન ઇન્વેન્ટરી સિસ્ટમ ઇન વિચ મટીરિયલ પાર્ટ્સ સબ એસેમ્બલીઝ એન્ડ સપોર્ટ આઇટમ આર ડિલિવર જસ્ટ વેન નીડેડ, નાઇધર સુનર નોટ નોર લેટર, રાઈટ. એટલે કે ઓન ડિમાન્ડ એઝ પર રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ. જો આપણે સ્પેર પાર્ટ, સબ એસેમ્બલી પાર્ટ્સ, રો મટીરિયલ અને સપોર્ટને જો તમે ડિલિવર કરો તો ઇટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ જસ્ટ ઇન ટાઈમ એઝ પર આર રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ. એના બેઝ ઉપરથી જસ્ટ ઇન ટાઈમ સિસ્ટમ છે ડેવલપ થયેલી છે. અહીંયા આપણે બેઝિકલી બે ટાઈપની સિસ્ટમ જોશું, એક પુલ સિસ્ટમ અને બીજી પુશ સિસ્ટમ, જેને આપણે ગ્રાફિકલ ફોર્મમાં સમજવાની ટ્રાય કરીએ, બરાબર. જો અહીંયા બંને સિસ્ટમ ડિફાઇન કરેલી છે. આ એક છે ઉપરની છે, ઇટ ઇઝ પુશ સિસ્ટમ, વાઇલ ઇન એ લોઅર સાઇડ ઇટ ઇઝ પુલ સિસ્ટમ. અહીંયા એરો કી દ્વારા બે ટાઈપના ફ્લો બતાવેલા છે. ફર્સ્ટ જે ગ્રીન એરો ડિનોટ કરે છે ઇટ ઇઝ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન ફ્લો, એન્ડ જે રેડ એરો છે ઇટ ડિનોટ મટીરિયલ ફ્લો. તો આપણે પુશ સિસ્ટમની અંદર જોઈએ કે બંને એરા મીન્સ કે ગ્રીન એઝ વેલ એઝ રેડ, both information and material flow in a single direction from raw material supplier to company, and company when produce final assembly it sent to customer. It means both the material as well as information flow in a single side, while in a push system both are in a reverse form. Information flow from customer to company, company to supplier, while material is flowing from raw material supplier to company, company to final customer, રાઈટ. તો અહીંયા આપણે પુશ સિસ્ટમની અંદર એવું જાણી શકીએ કે જે પણ ઇન્વેન્ટરી અથવા જે પણ પ્રોડક્ટ બને છે એઝ પર રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ, એના માટેની જે ઇન્વેન્ટરી જોઈએ અથવા એના માટેની જે રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ છે, બરાબર, એ બધી એઝ પર રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ અહીંયા મંગાવવામાં આવે છે, રાઈટ. તો અનનેસેસરી કોઈ વર્કિંગ કેપિટલ બ્લોકેજ થવાના ચાન્સીસ ઘટી જાય, વેસ્ટના ચાન્સીસ ઘટી જાય. તો આ બધા બેનિફિટ છે આપણે ક્યાં મળે છે? પુલ સિસ્ટમની અંદર, રાઈટ. એ સેમ બેનિફિટ છે આપણે પુશ સિસ્ટમમાં જોવા મળતા નથી. તો અહીંયા આપણા માટે બેટર એ છે પુલ સિસ્ટમ. તો જે લીન મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ છે ઇટ ઇઝ બેઝડ ઓન પુલ સિસ્ટમ. અહીંયા જો પુશ સિસ્ટમ છે એને વધારે ડીપમાં ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરેલ છે. એવરી વર્કર મેક્સિમાઇઝ ઓન આઉટપુટ મેકિંગ એઝ મેની પ્રોડક્ટ એઝ પોસિબલ. પુશ સિસ્ટમની અંદર હરેક વ્યક્તિ છે એ પોતાનું મેક્સિમમ આઉટપુટ આપશે, રાઈટ, એઝ વેલ એઝ એ પ્રોડક્ટિવ બનશે. એ પોસિબલ હશે ત્યાં સુધી પ્રોડક્ટિવલી કામ કરશે. અહીંયા એના પ્રોઝ એન્ડ કોન્સ પણ ડિફાઇન કરેલા છે, તમે જરા યુ જસ્ટ ગો થ્રુ ઇટ. અહીંયા પુલ સિસ્ટમ ડિફાઇન કરેલી છે. આ પુલ પ્રોડક્શન લાઇન ઇઝ કંટ્રોલ બાય ધ લાસ્ટ ઓપરેશન કાનબાન કાર્ડ એન્ડ કંટ્રોલ વર્કિંગ પ્રોગ્રેસ, રાઈટ. અહીંયા જે પુલ સિસ્ટમ છે, રાઈટ, એ ઇટ ઇઝ બેઝડ ઓન કાનબાન કાર્ડ એઝ વેલ એઝ WIP વર્ક ઇન પ્રોગ્રેસ ઇન્વેન્ટરી એઝ પર રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ અહીંયા એ બનાવવામાં આવશે પુલ સિસ્ટમની અંદર. અહીંયા પ્રોઝ એન્ડ કોન્સ પણ ડિફાઇન કરેલા છે, યુ જસ્ટ ગો થ્રુ ઇટ. ફીચર ઓફ લીન મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ, બરાબર, ફીચર ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરેલા છે. ધેટ ઇન્ક્લુડ ફર્સ્ટ વોટ ઇઝ ઇટ, what do you mean by lean production, lean manufacturing? It is management philosophy. Second thing, it is purely based on pull system throughout the plan, right. Next, what it does, it attack on waste, it try to reduce cost into your plant. Second thing, expose problem and bottlenecking, right. They try to identify problem and try to solve it, right. Next thing, achieve streamline production, continuous production without any interruption. What it require, अगर we want to implement lean production, then what is the requirement for us? That include employee participation is must, industrial re-engineering is must, continuous improvement is required, total quality control is must, and we have to produce all the thing in a small lot size. We have to order, we have to place order in a small size, as well as we have to deliver a product in a small size. It's called Kaizen, continuous improvement. What is assume? It assumes stable business environment, stable production, right? A little history of lean manufacturing. Basically, lean manufacturing system, it designed by Ford production system, right? Start with an article, just shoot, and then study to find some way of eliminating the entirely useless part. This apply to everything: a shoe, a dress, a house, a piece of machinery, a railroad, a steamship, an aeroplane. As we cut out unless part and simplify necessary one, we also cut down the cost of making. But also it is to be remembered that all parts are designed so that they can be most easily made. Right? Means a lean manufacturing system is applicable to every product, starting from a small shoe up to a big aeroplane as well as a steamship, right? But we have to here focus on the quality. We just, for the purpose of try to reduce cost, we cannot compromise with quality. So we have to design product which is standard one with a standard quality. um, Ohno says, put idea into practice systematically. When bombarded with the question from our group on what is inspired his thinking, Ohno just laughed and said he learned it all from the Henry Ford's book. Right? So means it is defined by Ford company. A Toyota production system, TPS is also there, which is based on VAST, a system that continually search for and eliminate waste throughout the value chain. Toyota production system focus on waste reduction through whole value chain or value creation process, right? uh, Estimation of elimination of waste. uh, One acronym is there: CLOSEMIT. C for complexity, L for labor, O for overproduction, S for space, E for energy, D for defect, M for material, I for inventory, T for time, and T for transportation. We have to reduce, we have to eliminate a waste from this all closed meat, right? A waste in Japanese language, muda, it means waste. We can eliminate waste through the way of applying certain philosophy that include eight type of philosophy are there. First one is 5S concept, second thing group technology, third one quality at source, fourth just in time production, fifth Kanban production control system, sixth minimizing setup time, seventh a uniform plant loading, and eighth focus factory network. These are the 8 techniques through which we are able to reduce waste. We just try to describe this 8 technique in detail in our next PPT. Same 7 waste are there, right? Which we cannot recognize. First one, overproduction, waste of overproduction, waste of inventory, waste of waiting or time, waste of motion, waste of transportation, waste of rework, and waste of over processing. First concept of waste elimination, 5S concept. um, Here 5S, 5 Japanese word is given which start with S, that include Seri, Seiton, Seisho, Shiketsu, Shitsuk. Here we are just try to translate into in English language with meaning. First one, Seri, it means a proper arrangement. It's called, we have to sort it out. right? Seiton, it means orderliness. We have to simplify whole operation of our production. Seisho, it means cleanliness. We have to swipe all the waste as well as dust as well as uh, unnecessary material and waste. Siketsu, it means clean up, standardization. We have to utilize a standard tool, standard method, standard technique for the purpose of conducting our production or operation. Siketsu, it means discipline, sustain. We have to we have to implement the new concept permanently. We have to maintain all the discipline or rules regulation as per our requirement for a longer period of time. It is called sustain Siketsu. Next, group technology. Instead of arranging whole machinery according to our convenience, if we are arranging machine in a particular order which minimize uh, time of loading, deloading, time of movement, right? So we can reduce the waste like motion, movement waste, transportation waste, right? So here you just see the image where we are arranging whole the machinery as per our conveniency. Instead of this way, if we arrange the machinery like this sequence, in like this sequence, we are able to reduce a total time or lead time which is taken for production. Next, just in time. Minimizing waste through just in time technology, uh, that include only produce what you need as per requirement. We have to produce, we don't have to produce unnecessary material or finished product without any requirement, without any demand. Second thing, oppose of just in case philosophy, right? We have to produce ideal load size. Next, minimize transmit time. Next, frequent small deliveries, means we have to produce all the thing in a small quantity. Here some pros and cons is given regarding just in time, that include minimum inventory is required, less space is required, more visualization of old material and inventory and machinery, easier to spot quality if any issue are there, then we are able to easily solve it. Next, cons that include require discipline, standardized people are required. Second thing, require good problem solving ability in our manpower. Third, supplier or warehouse must be close, near to our company. Minimizing waste through quality at source. It means we have to maintain quality at every stage. Is there any possibility of defect are there, then we have to recognize it and try to solve it. Do it right at the first time, means we don't have to compromise at any stage. We have to create a correct quality at every stage. Call for help if required, immediately stop the process and correct it versus passing it on to inspection or repair. It is called jidoka, defect detection. A minimizing waste through kanban system, it is है ना, it is also one important philosophy for waste minimization. Here we can utilize various type of indicator like golf ball, any light color, any empty colorful container, card for the purpose of delivering and receiving inventory. It is called kanban system. Minimizing waste through setup time reduction. For example, here long setup time drive, if we set a long time for production, it leads to long production run, large load size of inventory and long lead time for production. But if we just try to simplified or minimize setup time, then we are able to get the benefit of focus efforts, problem solving ability, and flexible equipment. Next, uh, uniform plant loading, minimizing waste through uniform plant loading. Instead of producing a product or a running plant in a variable manner, if we set the level of production in an equal way, then we are able to reduce waste. For example, here two examples given: a production, upper side number of unit and month is given. For example, in January 1200 unit are there, in February 3500 unit are there, in March 4300 unit are there, in a total 9000 unit produced by a company. But here we find the production of each month, it is varied: 1200, and total 900, 9000, right? But in a second, in a below example, you can find in January 3000, in February 3000, in March 3000. So here also we make total number of product 9000, but here we find that in every month we are producing standard product 3000. This is called uniform. The production limit is uniform in every month, so it is called uniform plant loading. If we follow uniform plant loading, then we can reduce the waste of manpower, right, as well as waste of machinery, time of machinery, waste of material, etc. Minimizing waste through focus factory network. If we select our location in a specialized area where all types of facility and supplier and customer are available, which is mandatory for our business, then it reduce time to reach to those supplier and to those customer. So it is called focus factory network. We have to set our factory in those area where all the necessary support or supporting firm are there, so we can reduce the transmit time over there, right? A TPS production system, respect people for TPS focus on respect for people, that include level payroll, they are giving standard salary. Second thing, cooperative employee union, supportive employee union, subcontractor network are there, bottom up management style is there. It means everybody can set their ideas with their top level management. And quality circle, small group of people for problem solving, right? So they are focusing on respect for people. And here TPS formula are given, you just go through it. Lean implementation, focus on total quality management, flow process, stable schedule, Kanban pool, involved supplier continuous inventory reduction, and product design. Thank you, thanks all.